6:47 right now on your Friday morning. A lot of folks excited for the weekend, but bundle up.
Yeah, bundle up. At least it's going to be a short winter spurt, right?
Yeah, just one day, kind of a one-day only sale, if you will. The early warning radar network is quiet. The rain is gone. But of course, the big reason why we're getting so much colder is because a cold front has moved through that brought all the rain and stronger storms yesterday. On the Way 31 Skycam network on this Friday morning, those temperatures continue to drop. 40 degrees in Huntsville, 41 in Guntersville. It's 39 in the Shoals. We're seeing mostly cloudy skies, and we will see mostly cloudy skies all day, but the sun's trying to peek through in a few spots. Most of us, though, will stay in the low to mid 40s all day long. You got to keep the winter gear with you throughout the day, not just this morning. And compared to this time yesterday morning, yeah, it's cold. We're running about 20, 25, close to 30 degrees colder compared to this time on Thursday. So as we mentioned, temperatures in the upper 30s to low 40s right now, perhaps climbing into the mid 40s this afternoon. It all comes down to if we see any clearing in that cloud cover before sunset. You do see a 10% chance, not necessarily for rain, but for a few snowflakes, especially in the higher elevations of northeast Alabama. Just a few flurries. There's still a little bit of moisture in the atmosphere that we could squeeze out a few of those flurries this morning and this afternoon. If we do see any flurries, absolutely zero impacts whatsoever. The big story today is just the cold temperatures. Now, when you factor in the wind coming out of the northwest around 15, 20 miles per hour, temperatures in the 40s this afternoon, will only feel like the mid 30s. A pretty strong wind chill with us throughout the day and this evening as well. Bundle up for any Friday night plans you might have. Here we go with future radar. This is 11 a.m. You see a couple of those flurries east of I-65. Better chances for snow will be up along the Cumberland Plateau in Tennessee. But again, if we see any flurries here in Alabama, no impacts at all. 6 o'clock this evening, we do start to see those clearing skies. Maybe some sun right before sunset. And with those mostly clear skies tonight, the temperatures, actual temperatures, drop into the 20s. But it could feel more like the teens when you wake up Saturday morning. Plenty of sunshine throughout the day on Saturday. Some clouds start to move back in Saturday night. But eventually we'll start to see those temperatures warm up, back in the 50s tomorrow and the 60s on Sunday. Not expecting much in the way of muddy paws for our furry friends over the next few days. We're pretty much dry through Sunday. But as we look ahead to next week, you see those low-end rain chances are back Monday night in particular. And this looks to be another week of unsettled weather next week. Not quite as extreme as what we've had to deal with this week, but there will be a boundary stalled out nearby. Where exactly that boundary lands remains to be seen. Regardless, we'll keep off and on chances for showers and maybe one or two thunderstorms starting Monday night, going through Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. It's not going to rain all of next week. It's not going to be a washout by any means, and we're not expecting severe weather or flooding. Just some on-again, off-again showers with maybe one or two rumbles of thunder in the forecast by Wednesday. Now look at the 7-day. Even with those rain chances, we climb back into the low 70s on Tuesday. And it's not out of the question, Chris and Megan, on Wednesday that some spots get close to 80 degrees.
We are